Hey there, this is Strider Tree Gear. I'm monkeying around in my tree in the backyard and I figured I'd put together this little message. Just want you to know I haven't been idle and I'm looking forward to putting more content out there on the internet. I've just been frequently hit by power outages here in sunny California. Thank you PG&E for that. So just want to let you know a few things that are on the horizon. Putting together a gear list, sort of a low budget gear list for someone just getting into recreational tree climbing, sort of the basics of what you need to get in and around safely most any tree. That's primarily going to be a doubled rope, although I will show you a couple add-ons to convert that to a single rope system. And then also a high-end professional, if money is no option, what do you buy? Because you're going into professionally, these are your tools and you're going to make money. So a lot of that's going to be kit that I own, because that's been my philosophy. Have the best equipment you can possibly afford and you won't regret it later, and that's been true for me. So I put together a couple of videos, one with the budget build, one with the sort of the high-end luxury build, best equipment on the market for different purposes. I'm also doing a couple more gear reviews. Those should be coming out soon, a couple of tips and tricks videos, and I'm putting together a webinar for just a basic instructional on some of the common tree climbing topics. And if there's anything in particular you've been curious about, anything you want to see, please leave a comment below. I'm really interested in your feedback. I want to know what your questions are, and I would like to be able to answer them, or at least explore them in video. So if you've got questions about a particular piece of gear or a particular technique, I'm happy to show you what that looks like and to experiment with you guys for the education of everyone. So stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe. You can be a member on my website, stridertreegear.com, and you'll get updated whenever I post updates there. Usually I've got videos posted on both my website and on YouTube, and you can find me in both places. I'm at Tree Strider on Instagram and Strider Tree Service on Facebook. So you can reach me all over the web, and I'm looking forward to diving into, well, hopefully staying into more trees with you guys and exploring this industry and all the latest gear, tips, tricks and techniques that are cutting edge and people are using all over the place. It's a good time to be in the tree business. There's a lot of great stuff happening, and I'm here to bring that to you and help you guys up your game. You know, we're trying to climb safely, we're trying to climb efficiently, trying to get paid, make good money, and enjoy these beautiful trees as a part of our world. So once again, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you want to see and hear in the comments. Strider Tree Gear signing out. I'll catch up with you guys again here soon. Bye-bye.